Hi everyone. Okay, sorry I couldn't be there today, but I wanted to show you what you need to do for today. Ms. Kafarani is substituting for me, and she has been given instructions to divide you guys into your 4 groups. I went ahead and put all of your projects in these lovely blue folders. We have group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Ms. Kafarani knows who's in which group. We're going to divide sort of into a stations kind of atmosphere today. We're going to have one official practice station with the Rosebush Marimbas, where group 1 will start off there. And then we have the second group. You're going to be going to a mini marimba station where you can practice with fingers. It's just to get the muscle memory back. We're going to have another station where you're practicing with paper marimbas. Okay, so that way you can get your muscle memory back. And then our 4th station will be center games. We'll have 2 center games that are already established. So here's how it's going to work. Group 1, you're going to go to the practice marimba station. You need to decide right now who is playing soprano, who is going to be playing alto, and if you have a tenor line written, who is playing the tenor line. Now, if you don't have a tenor line written at this point, don't worry about it. We'll see what we can do. But just, if you haven't written a tenor line, decide who's playing soprano and who's playing alto. You have to decide quickly because you only have 10 minutes to work at the marimba station. And Ms. Kafarani is setting the timer. So you have to decide quickly what you're going to do. When you get there, play with fingers first, get it back in your fingers, look at your music, and practice together. Alright? Somebody in the group should say, ready, set, here we go. And please don't fight over who's going to be doing that part. Just someone say, ready, set, here we go. Play it 1 time through, then say, okay, let's play 2 times through. Ready, set, here we go. And try playing it 2 times through. If you're doing it correctly, your mallets should all be striking about the same time. Okay? If you have someone who's comfortable enough to play the lead, to play a leader, to be the woodblock person, or I think we'll just have a woodblock for today, have that person keep the beat and give it a try. Your goal is to play it 4 times through with no mistakes. Okay? Alright, so that's group 1. Group 2, you're going to go to the mini marimba station. You are allowed to practice with fingers. Again, decide at that station who is playing alto, soprano, and tenor if you have it. Okay? Decide right then and there. That's the time to work it out. Same thing with group 3 at the paper marimba station. Figure out which part you're going to play. Okay? So decide right then and there. And then group 4, you don't have to make any decisions until it's time to rotate and you go to the paper marimba station. Okay? Now, while you are waiting, practice with fingers. Notate. Some of you have not finished notating yet, and yes, I know who you are. You're going to show me proof that you have finished notating. Ms. Kafarani is going to take a picture with my handy dandy iPad, which is right here. Okay, she's going to take a picture for me, and I will take a look at it once we're done. Okay. Alright, so everybody's going to be doing something at the station. Now, group 4, if you're at the center station and you know you need to notate, I would go ahead and notate right then and there. That way you don't have to worry about it anymore. Okay, after 10 minutes, group 1, you're going to be done. Hopefully you would have practiced enough. And then we're going to rotate. Group 1, you're going to go to the center station. Group 2, you're going to come to the practice station. Group 3, you'll go to the mini marimbas. Group 4, you'll go to paper. Alright, and then you're just going to do everything there. Remember, you only have 10 minutes. Okay? So by the time the rest of you, group 2, group 3, and group 4, by the time the rest of you get to the practice marimba station, I shouldn't have anybody going, oh, I don't know what part I'm playing. You should already know that because you would have established it at your first station. Okay? By the end of class, everyone should be somewhat comfortable playing their part. I know I'm not there to help you guys out, so you're going to just have to work stuff out. Ms. Kafarani is going to be grading you not only on your notation, but also how well you work together. Okay? So make sure that you're not arguing or having any kind of last minute discussions. What is there is there. If you need to change something, change it. Don't take it personal. All right? All right, I think that is it. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask Ms. Kafarani. If she doesn't know the answer, she can always write it down and I'll answer it next week. Next week is your performance, 5th grade. So take this class time seriously because I am not going to see you until next week, and that's when we put on your performance. Okay? All right, good luck.